Well, hi. Sheldon has come to see us again. There he goes. So, what are you looking at? Huh? Where are you going? Oh dear. Careful, careful. Sheldon. So what I am watching over here, there's always something mysterious. Got her. And that is, I have this SX64, and it only comes up in black and white. But yet on the monitor, it comes up in color. But yet the monitor display is shaky. I don't know. You probably can't see that from there. I'm sorry about the awful roll. But it's just shaky. So that is puzzling. But I did try hooking the same monitor up to my Commodore 64 that I used to test things with, which had Jumpman in, and the monitor is not shaky. So it's funny how every time you add something, you add the possibility of something else being wrong. So, is the monitor funny? No, I don't think so. Is the monitor cable funny? It's possible. Is there something going on inside the SX64 that is making the monitor shake? Maybe. Maybe there is. So, the more answers we find, the more questions we find. I suppose what I could do, well, there's a number of things I could do. Firstly, I can unplug these connectors from this monitor and turn it on. And then I can take these connectors from the SX64 and plug them in. And note, the color display is shaky. Now, does that mean it's the SX64 where the black and white display is perfectly rock solid? Not necessarily. Maybe. Maybe it is. But then, of course, there is the cable. Could it be the cable? Yes, it still could be the cable. So, this cable, I know, is quite happy and quite wonderful. So, I'm going to put it back where it was. And it's also quite long. So, here we have the shaky display. I'm going through. Unplug. And yes, I'm doing this with the power on. And then I'm going to come back and see that, oh, well, interesting. So, the display with the different cable is also shaky. So this does lend me to think that the trouble is in there. How about that? Of course, the best way to be able to troubleshoot such issues is to have other of the same kind of things to be able to check things with. So, back together. So it would be good if I had another would be good, as I was saying, if I had another SX64. And there it is. Now, what's better than having one SX64 as a spare to diagnose things? What's better than having one you can never have too many spares when it comes to troubleshooting. So, if one is good, two must be better. And yes, it is quite true that if two are good, then it seems reasonable that you might double your chances of sorting something out. If you have three SX64's, but even better. Four spares. Now, do they all work? Certainly not. Oh, wait. We can do better than that. Because here, there's another. So, here we have one that we're testing and 5 more. And I'm going to have to look around, but there could be more. Yes, I believe we have entered the days of the SX64, where I will go through and analyze and figure and fix and cannibalize, etc., 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 as best I can to figure out how to best either make some of these work or make some of them available or make some other parts available to other people that would like to have an SX64 working. So here we have 6 SX64's. I have not had them plugged in for a while, so I don't know what their status is. But that's another story. And also, I'm going to look around and see. Something tells me this may not be all of them. I know that must be a surprise. So, prepare for the following episode to be full of, well, hopefully triumphs, but certainly troubleshooting, probably the odd puzzled look. But I'm confident, well, there's a switch chip. I'm confident that I will be able to rescue some of these. Anyway, if you have an SX64, if you have questions about SX64s, comments, concerns, this could be the time, because I'm certainly going to know a lot more about the SX64 soon than I have in a long time. So, until we meet again, the beat goes on. Bye for now.